And honey, a little of this goes a long way. Do you hear me? Friends, happy Sunday. I wanted to start off by showing you my outfit of the day. I have on some black slacks here. Let me see if I can step back. Some black slacks. I have on this rose color turtleneck from Old Navy. This cardigan also from Old Navy. I have on my beautiful bracelet that my husband got me for Valentine's Day. He got this from K Jewelers. I love it. I need to start wearing more bracelets. I love them. I have on my wedding bands, some gold hoops, I think from Amazon. Got my hair pulled up in a fluff for one more day I need to wash. What else do I have on? My Apple Watch. I need another battery for my Fossil watch that I love. Today's fragrance is Tom Ford Rose Prick. I need to spray that on. And honey, a little of this goes a long way. Do you hear me? Very little. All right. And this stuff is pricey. And I got the small one, but y'all, this fragrance is everything. I love anything Tom Ford. So does my husband. We may go to Sephora after church and get him that, I forgot the name. It's something, his new line. All of his fragrances are gender neutral. So I love that about Tom Ford. But yep, that's what I'm wearing today. And we're gonna head out. It's rainy here, so we have about a 20-minute drive for church. But here is the outfit. It's kind of cold. It's like 28 degrees here right now. And then I'll put on some black heels. They're like a shoe boot. I don't wear shoes in the house, but I'll put those on the way out. But this is the outfit. Oops, it's all tucked. And here's my husband. Right, clean. We're ready for church. Where did we get these pants? Where did I get your pants? Are these Express?
H&W.
H&M. 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 And his black shirt, I believe, is from
Navy blue.
Navy blue shirt, that's right. And then I think we got that at Express or H&M. I don't know.
This was at Express.
And then his pants, yeah, we already discussed. And we'll put on shoes. We don't wear shoes in the house. So we are ready for church.
Ready.
All right, let's go. Hey ladies, I wanted to show you one more thing. This is my pink coat. It's like a raincoat material that my husband got me for Christmas. I love this. It looks lighter on camera than it really is. It's a hot pink, and it has the drawstrings here. So you can see the length of it in the back. It's so cute on the inside, but it is cozy. It feels good. So I think I'm gonna wear this because snow is in the forecast today. A few flurries, but I think I'm gonna wear this today. And then we gotta get out of here. We're running behind. But isn't this cute? What do you think?
Praise, worthy is your name, Jesus. Use the very thing, the gift to birth for the glory of God. Now she's going to use the very gift to birth something, to try to manipulate somebody, to love her. She had a gift to birth something, but rather than use it for the glory of God, she's going to use it to try to manipulate a manipulator. She's going to try to trick a trickster. I'm trying to help you understand something. You can't play a player because the devil can play much longer than you. Let me